What is going on, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about a very important topic. This specific topic is risk management. And let me tell you why it's so important. In the background you can see my trading days in January. Right now we still have Monday. I've just finished trading an hour ago or so. And on Monday I want you to note, I traded 9 days out of 10 trading days. I did not trade, it was last Thursday. But I lost 5 days, I won 4. And overall I'm profitable now. And as you can see, I want to take you through my losing streak, essentially at the start of January. Starting off with Tuesday, first trading day of the year, I ended it in red. Then boom, another big losing day. Then on Thursday I managed to get out with a small win, and on this particular day I lowered my risk size because that was the first time I incorporated Thursday as a trading day in 2 months or so, or 3 months. So I halved the risk size. And I managed to get out with a small win, but still very important to me to get out green on a day. Very important. And then from there on the losing streak continued basically. Friday, boom, -1 time my risk. Monday I managed to keep my loser really small, that was very good on Monday. And on Tuesday I lost another 1 times my risk. And throughout this whole period of me losing money, me having those losing days all in a row, I kept my risk consistent. I followed my exit criteria, I followed my entry criteria, I followed my strategies, and most importantly, the risk. So I did not over exceed my stop loss, right? When I had the stop loss and I got out at the stop loss, really keeping my losers really small. And then things turned again. I started to make wins again. Like on Wednesday I made 14 bucks again. Then first I didn't trade. Friday I made 3 times my risk. And today as well, made a small winning day, but still. Those last 3 winning days, okay, and also the first day, but those last 3 winning days would have been enough to recover from the losing streak and to cover all the losses. Now I'm green for the month again. So when 3 winning days make up for the loss of 5 losing days, that's a good start. Those winning days were not like bangers, were not where I like made a ton of money, but still they were green. I made a decent amount of money, as I would say, each day, but it's not the money that I made that's important. It's more that I followed my rules, like I said as well. It's followed my rules. I was disciplined. I have 2 strategies in place now, doubling down on them. And the P&L, me being green on the day, just reflects that I am following my rules, that I am getting better over time. Obviously, one day doesn't change anything, but if the P&L goes up over time, that's just merely a representation of me getting more disciplined and me following my rules and get better and improve. Right. And from here, where I want to go, what I want to improve next is definitely letting my winners run. Find opportunities where I can let my winners run. Because obviously when the market doesn't give you opportunities to let your winners run, where should I let my winners run into? So it's about me finding the opportunity, finding good opportunity, high probability opportunities, and make bank on those opportunities. I'm okay with the losing days that I have. Those are pretty small compared to what my winning days could have been sometimes, and what my winning days should be. So I'm definitely my winning days to make my winning days bigger. That is definitely a goal, and to take home more winning days. Because that's also one thing I saw. Let's dive into Tuesday, for example. You see here, Tuesday of last week, I was in profit around about 2 times my risk. Like here you can see this was actually one trade I scaled out at 1.8R and the other part at 2R. So that was a good trade and I was in profit for around about 2 times risk reward. And then I blew all of that money. So that's my focus. Having more winning days and growing those winning days. And obviously if I'm green on a day, that I stay green on a day, because otherwise I would just making profit and instantly give them back to the markets. No, I want to stay green on those days. That's very important. That's really the thing I want to improve, that I'm aiming for. But once again, that is the output, right? Having bigger winning days, having more winning days and staying green on those days is the output, is the goal I'm gonna get to. And how to reach that output? I reach that output by be focused on the input, right? What can I control? How do I control it? I control it by following my rules, following my exit, entry criteria, following my strategies, and constantly try to improve the entry and exit points for my strategy. Trying to have a good read on the market, adapt to the market, adapt my bias as well, right? Not be attached to buy or to sell, no, adapt to the markets and see what the markets can give me. And if I can manage that, if I can stay disciplined, if I can improve, then as a result my winning days will grow and get bigger. And with this game plan in mind, I'm gonna continue on trading tomorrow. I'm finished for today, as I had 2 trades really for today, where I also adapted my bias, so I'm making progress. And this is the game plan basically for the rest of the week, for the rest of the month, and continuing on this year. Improve. Learn every day, journal every day, do the work, and the P&L will reflect my work in the end. Alright, with that being said, I hope you learned something from me. I definitely learned something from this day, from the past 2 weeks as well, from this year already. So stay disciplined, follow your rules, and most importantly, be profitable.